subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for, my dear? Subscribe to my channel. I'm telling you now to subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to me channel. Me name na NYX on the beat. Today's video is about this Polkadotation on the Eyeasion that is going on right now. This is my first attempt and I think I did a pretty good job at it. What do you guys think? If you guys would like to see how I achieved everything, then I got you. Keep on watching, honey. Okay, so let's get right into the makeup tutorial. I have already primed my eyelid. I'm using my Inglot 77 black gel liner. It's actually empty. I need to buy another one. Take a look at this. Done.com. So I'm just gonna try to scrape it off. I'll be applying that to my lid.
No time to waste, no long time. Telling me you've been hurting.
I would be going in with this fluffy brush to blend out the edges so it has a smoother finish, you know. Time for us to actually finalize the blackation. I'm using my Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge eyeshadow in blackout. Now that we flicked our eye with the blackness, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory to give myself a quarter cut crease. Quarter cut crease, what could that ever be? Well, you're about to find out. Because it's black base, I'm going to be pressing the product on rather than moving it. Perfection in display. Now I'm going in with a product that I honestly really do not even like. It's the NYX White Liquid Eyeliner. The idea I actually had for this look was to use white and black, but as you can see, there's a pinkation involved in the Polkadotation, and the reason why I did that is because this white disgrace wow, that sounded very racist, but that's not my intention and you know that. This disgrace, it cracked. Like, I don't want my eyeshadow to crack. I'm going to take this epic disgrace. I'm going to put that all over the concealer. I really don't like this product, but if you know any white eyeliner that surpasses expectations, improves valuations, then let me know. I really want to change this. I really want something, and make sure that it's a cheap one, because I don't want to be spending $100 to draw white line on my face. Please, mold. I can mix chalk and water and do the same thing.
You know that I've been working. Make time for me when I come around town.
Okay, so now we're going to do like a splash, like the white splashed out.
Empty, but baby, I can feel your pain. I'll give you good loving. Baby,
okay, so now that the white just looks really horrible, it's time for us to now polka dot the higher. Okay, so make sure you focus on your lash line too. Don't leave that place out. I'm usually really jealous of other places because people usually forget them. So now that everything's looking Gucci and Prada at the same time, this Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner in the shade Fireball. You can see the crackation on full effect. Just there humiliating his ancestors and his creators.
It's fake kills.
And that is how we got the eyeshadow that we have on now. So last but not even close to the least, we're going to take the white eyeliner, but camera is not even focusing on you because you're just a disgrace. Even the camera does not want to focus on you. How do you feel? We're going to now polka dot the place with the pink.
So she give me
I'm using my Huda Beauty eyelashes in Sasha. I need to get new eyelashes, yo. Please, can you actually document some eyelashes in the comment section below? Oh my god, Becky, look her how I get it. Better boom boom, better boom boom, chag, better boom. I don't know why that's what I sang, but I'm back with the under eye, babies. The under eye was pretty easy, pretty quick, pretty fast, pretty awesome. And what I did was to go in with my black casual to blacken the under eye. We're going to go into our Urban Decay Blackout eyeshadow. I will be taking a 1, 2, 3.
Let's have a good time.
Good. I could have left it this way and just go out, but I don't know how to be boring. I'm going into my Masquerade Juvia's palette and we're choosing this shade called Makeda. I'll be taking Makeda and I'll be putting that in the bottom of my tear duct area. I'm going in with my NYX liquid glitters in aqua. Is what it is. Slaying as usual. Okay, for the lips, I'll be lining my lips with my black eyeliner. I'm going to actually outline my lips, which is line my lips on the outside so it can look fuller, sexier, and scrumptious. Let me move closer so you can, you know, take a look at what my bae is enjoying. Actually, he's really not because we're having a long distance relationship. Ooh, can you see how full my lips already look? Should I just do nude lips? Oh my gosh. Because I actually was going to wear this vibrant pink lipstick. It's such a hard decision. This, God, please, what color should I use? Oh God, please, can you just help me, Lord? You know what, why don't I do the nude first and then go in with this one after? Because that makes a lot of sense, right? I'll see what the nude looks like, and if I don't like it, I'll just go over it with that. So this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Huda.
Standard.
It's so boring. I'm going to be trying the Sephora Luster Matte Long Wear Lip Color. My sister got this for me when I hit 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. She's amazing. She's excellent. She's wonderful. Ooh. Oh my god, I love this one. I love how full my lips look. It looks like I was punched directly on the lips. Only swollen and sexy. Like, oh, you try to bring me down, but my sexiness just rose up. Let's get into the hair. New hair wool days coming at you. New hair wool days. Let me move back so you can see me better. Oh my god. Nika, are you not gonna color the lace? No. This is how we're gonna be going out in 2018. We don't care about your opinion, we do ours. I love how snug it feels. Oh my god, it's amazing. Can't wait to see how this turns out, you guys. Okay, so this hair that you can see making me look so much better than I ever thought I ever look in this kind of curly, beautiful telephone wire hair is the Malaysian curly hair. These 4 bundles of 26 inches and the closure is Malaysian curly in 20 inches. I got this hair from Ali Julia hair. I've seen a lot of people, you know, talk about their hair, so when they reach out to me, I'm like, okay, I guess I can try you too. Let's see what you got. The hair didn't shed, also because I didn't really comb it because it's curly, so I cannot really know if it sheds. So let's get right into the fixation of this wigation. So now it's time to actually try the wig to see if it's actually presentable. So let go.
Acting like you don't know me, yeah. But now you wants to phone me, yeah. But you don't know me, yeah.
It's time for us to got to be glued down there.
He's for me, yeah. But not them savvy, yeah. But you only mountain. It to say you go play, let's play, yeah. But he's only mountain. He said he won't play, let's play, yeah. But he's only mountain. It to say you go play, let's play, yeah. But he's only mountain. He said he won't play, let's play, yeah. You know me, yeah. Acting like you don't know me, yeah. But now he wants to phone me, yeah. But he don't know me, yeah. You know me, yeah. Acting like you don't know me, yeah.
The edges has been did. Oh wow, that's terrible. The edges has been did. Edges. Oh my god, so let's style the hair. What style are we doing today? I think a side pattern would. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've been sleeping on curly hair, Sha. What? Hey, Ali Julia, the hair feels so good. The hair feels so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me see. Let me take selfie. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't know why I shouted. It's not really that good. Hi beautiful people. This is the finished look. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share lots of friends from the NBA all over this world. Adios amigos, catch ya later, peace, yeah. Adios amigos, catch ya later, peace, yeah.